everyone, it's Star, and today I'm going to show you how to use the AI-powered business card scanner inside HighLevel, one of the fastest ways to turn a physical card into a digital contact. If you've ever left a networking event or trade show with a pile of business cards sitting on your desk, this feature is going to save you a ton of time and help you follow up instantly. Let's take a look. All right, open your HighLevel mobile app and make sure you're inside the sub account. Next, tap Contacts on the bottom menu. From there, tap the plus icon and choose Scan Business Card. You can also reach this from the Quick Actions menu. Just tap the little lightning bolt icon and select Scan Business Card. Now line up your camera with the business card inside the frame. Hold steady for a second while HighLevel's AI automatically extracts the contact information. You'll see all the details appear: name, phone number, email, company, and other fields filled in for you. Before saving, take a quick moment to review the details. If everything looks good, perfect. If not, and something looks off, just tap Refine with AI. That will enhance the recognition and repopulate the fields with improved accuracy. You can also use the chips below each field to drag or correct text. For example, if the company name or title needs to move to a different spot. If you'd like to save the actual image of the card, toggle Save to Media Storage. Or if you want the image stored with the contact, toggle Add to File and Folders. And while you're here, you can add tags such as networking event or local meetup. This allows you to organize your contacts later. Once everything looks right, go ahead and tap Save Contact. And that's it. Your new contact is now instantly saved inside HighLevel, ready for you to use across your CRM tools. Thanks for joining me as we explored the AI-powered business card scanner. This feature makes it easier than ever to capture contacts on the spot. So go ahead and start using it in your business today and save time, stay organized, and never lose another lead again. Be sure to check out the official help doc link below for detailed steps and explore the Content Army playlist for more HighLevel tutorials. I'm Star, and I'll see you in the next video.